The final section of this chapter isn't doing anything new. We already have all of our formulas, but we're going to start piecing them all together. So we want to find the shape or the area of this five-sided shape. Essentially, it's a rectangle with a triangle cut out. So if you had a rectangular sheet of paper and you cut out a triangle. So area of the rectangle minus area of the triangle. Area of the rectangle is base times height, or 11 times 25, minus area of the triangle is base times height divided by 2. The base of the triangle is 11, the height is 14, and then let's divide by 2. So go ahead and start multiplying, put everything in your calculator. 11 times 25 is 275, minus 11 times 14, and then divide by 2 is 77. So when you subtract those, you get that the area of the shaded region is 198. Let's go ahead and put units, centimeters squared. Next one, find the area of the irregular figure below. So we have area of a rectangle plus area of a half circle. Okay, so we have this rectangle, which is 4 by something. It's not 7, but it's 4 by something, and then half of a circle. So base times height plus pi r squared, but because it's half circle, we're going to divide that by 2. So I need to find a couple things. I need to find this base, and I need to find r. Well, r can be drawn right there, but it could also be drawn along these dotted lines. So if this is 4 over here, this diameter of this half circle is 4, making the radius 2. Okay, let's fill that one in. I know the height's 4. All we're looking for now is the base. If that's 2, the remaining part of this segment is 5, because 2 plus 5 gets me 7. So the base of this shape is 5. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 squared is 4, divided by 2 is 2, plus 2 pi. Similar problem, but I'm given the base of the rectangle. We have area of a rectangle plus area of a half circle. We have base times height plus pi r squared over 2. Now r is half of the diameter, and this diameter here, from here to here, is 15. Half of that, 7.5. So 15 times 34, 510, plus, I'm going to take 7.5 and I'm going to square it, and then I'm going to divide by 2, and I get 28.125 pi. Now we've done a problem like this in the last section, but we want to find the area of the triangle minus the area of the circle. So the area of the triangle, we're going to have to use 1/2 apothem times perimeter. I know that's 4, so I need to find this side and then double it. Over here's my 30-degree angle, here's my 60-degree angle right here. You could set up the proportion. I'm going to skip a couple of those steps because we've been doing them for so long, and know that that's 4 root 3, which makes each side of this triangle 8 square root of 3. So area of the triangle is 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter, and 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 24 square root of 3, minus the area of the circle is pi r squared, and r for this circle is 4. 1/2 times 4 times 24 is 48 square root of 3, minus 16 pi. Area of a square with an apothem of 6. The apothem in a square goes from the center straight down, which makes it half of the sides. area side squared. You could do 1/2 apothem times perimeter. That'll work also. But 12 squared is pretty easy to do. And our last example, area of a regular hexagon with a perimeter of 24. So let's get a hexagon. We have a perimeter of 24, which means divided by 6 makes each side 4. So when I draw this in, draw the apothem and the radius, I know that that's 2 and that's 2. 30-degree angle is right here. So when I skip a couple steps, doing my 1 over leg, square root of 3 over leg, I get that the apothem is 2 square root of 3. So the area is 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter. And when I multiply that all out, I get 24 square root of 3.